Hello my beauties, today I'm going to show you this super easy smoky eye look. If you want to see how I create, please keep on watching. First of all, I'm using this Clinique moisturizer to moisturize my skin. After moisturizer, I'm using this pore freshener primer from Benefit. I'm applying all over my face wherever I feel like I have pores, around my nose, on my forehead, on my T-zone. Now I'm using this Stila color corrector palette. I'm mixing this peach and orange color corrector together and putting under my eye area where I feel like I have dark circles and applying with my finger. And I feel like I have a little bit darkness around my mouth, so I'm just putting a little bit on my mouth area as well. I'm just blending it out with my finger. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Fitme Dewy Foundation. I'm applying with my fingers all over my face. Now I'm just going to blend my foundation with the damp beauty blender. Now I'm using this pressing technique to blend my foundation into my skin. Once your foundation is done, we'll go for the next step, which is concealer. I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to highlight my forehead, my nose, my under area, my cupid, and a little bit on my chin area as well. Now I'm using one shade light concealer to highlight those areas because I need to highlight my forehead, my nose, and my under eye area, little bit my cupid and my chin. I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my under eye area. Just applying a little bit just to set the concealer. I'm using the same powder to set all my face but with this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to bake my under eye area because I'm doing my eyeshadow after today, so I don't want any eyeshadow to fall on my face. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Here I'm using MAC Brow Gel, which is in deep dark brown. Now I'm setting my eyebrows with this Benefit gel. I'm using the same concealer to prime my eyes, which I have used before to highlight my face. Now I'm going to blend this concealer with this flat kind of brush. Then I'm setting my primer with the same loose powder, which one, the Maybelline Fit Me one. Here I'm using my soft glam palette from Anastasia. You can use any palette. If you have brown or black color, you can easily create smoky eye. I'm using this kind of fluffy brush and taking brown color from the palette and putting onto my crease line. I'm keep blending this brown color onto my crease line. I'm just building the brown color. Once you're happy with the color, you can go for the next step. Now I'm doing this other eye. I'm doing more blending again. Now I'm taking this flat brush and using my Inglot gel liner, which is number 77. You can use any kind of gel liner you have. I'm just putting this one onto my lid. Oh, my one is a bit dry. You have to just put the gel liner all over your lid. This is the very easy smoky eye. You just need to put all over your lid the gel liner and then you take the step 2, which I'm telling you soon. Now step 2 is just take the black color from the eyeshadow palette and put it all over your gel liner. After putting the black shadow, you need to just doing blending, blending and more blending. Because the smoky eye, the main key is for the smoky eye is blending. Just take more time for blending. I'm taking here more black eyeshadow because I feel like I need a little bit more black eyeshadow to put it on the gel liner. I'm going to blend, blend, blend. Once it's blend nicely, I'm gonna go for the third step. The third step is you need to take the brown color, which one you used for your crease. Just darken it up your crease line. Now I'm doing the exact same thing to my other eye, putting the black gel liner onto my eyelid. The second step, putting black eyeshadow onto the eyeliner, the gel eyeliner. And third step is putting the brown eyeshadow onto the crease line. And yes, don't forget blending, blending and more blending. I'm using the same eyeshadow palette and taking this gold color to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm using the black and the brown eyeshadow, which one I used for my eye. I'm just putting it on my lower lash line. Now I'm curling my lashes with the lash curler. I've done my falsies off camera. Now I'm using this black liner, which one is from Modlesprefer. I'm just putting like a kajal. Here I'm using a MAC contour stick. I will put the name on my description box, the exact name of that. I'm just putting it for contouring for my nose, for my cheeks, little bit for my forehead and for my jawline. As this product is like a cream based product, so once you spray the setting spray, it's very easy to blend. So I've just spray my face with the setting spray and I'm just blending it out with this damp beauty sponge. I'm putting here my Sephora lip balm just to hydrate my lips. Now for my nose contouring, I'm using here this kind of brush to fade that line, which one I used. Now here I'm using my Clinique bronzer to bronze cheeks. I'm putting on the same area where I did my contouring. And the brush I used before was from the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And this brush, I'm just got that kind of brush because my brush was broken, so I'm using this brush to contour. Here I'm using my blush palette, which is from Too Faced. I don't think so this is available now because it was from I think 2 years back. I use this pinky peachy color. Here I'm using my MAC highlighter, which is soft and gentle. Just putting it on usual areas, on my cheekbones, little bit on my nose, tip of my nose, little bit in the middle of my nose, little bit on my forehead, my cupid, and a little bit on my chin. I'm using L'Oreal mascara to curl my lashes. Here I'm using this lip liner, the berry color lip liner, which one is from Rimmel. I'll put the name in the description box. I'm just lining up my lips and using this pretty lipstick in the shade 461 from L'Oreal. I'm filling in my lips with this pretty lipstick and using the Tarte setting spray to spray my face. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. I always like to play with my hairs. Sorry guys if it's bothering you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thanks. Bye.